So Python Rich, Rich is a Python library for rich text and beautiful formatting in the terminal. So Rich API makes it easy to add color and style to the terminal output. So Rich can also render pretty tables, progress bars, markdown, syntax, highlighted source code, tracebacks, and more out the box. So here should run. You'll get this. So let's go over a few examples. Output. So let's say hello Rich. So and then we use print something hello. Then we can do something like bold, blue, bold, blue. Okay, let's run it. So here's the, and we can also do something like print metallic, yellow, low, okay. Just quick example. So this is the no formatting, and let's do some tables from rich table, import table, go say title fruits, and gonna say dot add column fruit style. We give it a cyan and justify in the center and the color style magenta. Gonna the rows, and then I'm gonna print table. Let's try it on Google Colab instead. Okay, we're gonna use console. Console is an object which ensures the Rich renders the table correctly. So let's go with console, and then instead of just bring console, okay, we need to use the console.print to render correctly in the terminal. Okay, progress bar with rich. Drag for step in track. Let's see. Range. Give it 100. And pass. Okay, maybe you should put time. Sleep. 1. Give it too slow. So make it go to 10 and 0.1 second. So as you can see, this is how to do a progress bar with rich. And let's go to syntax highlighting. Okay, so so let's say the code is definition my function. So print hello rich. Print. I'm gonna use the syntax. Code image the language Python theme. Okay. And the line numbers. Okay, we're gonna have to use the console also here because when it display object it's better. Rich console. Then gonna do console. Okay, see which theme, import theme, and then so this is using custom theme. Then we can do panels and boxes, so let's go over the panels and boxes.